What's up, YouTube? Today's the 29th of May 2009 and the market's about to open up. Welcome to my trading video. And not much going on here with the earnings, so had to build the watch list up elsewhere using this top 10 most actives on the NYSE, the NASDAQ, etc. So market's open here, and we got a pretty nice gap up above yesterday's range. Looks like we may be going back into that, but it's nothing much to hold the market back today. So I think we're gonna have a nice up move unless some kind of news comes out that brings the market down. So anyway, I'll be back with some trades, guys. Alright guys, just went short on stock here. It's JCG. It's up like 20%. So thinking the profit takers are gonna be here. Just got 1,000 shares so far. Just gonna get another 1,000 here. And hoping this thing's gonna go red. Should have a really good profit then. So be back to update. And I'm looking, this thing pops up to the 80s again in the short, another 1,000. That's pretty much almost by the highs. Highs 24.85. All right, here we go. I actually got now 4,000 shares. This thing's starting to go my way here. Looking for a really good profit on this. There we go. 25. See if I could hit it at 25 again. If that goes on the ask. A lot of short covering going on, but I'm thinking the bears are going to take control here. This is a good opportunity to short. See, the low is at 24.16. Didn't hit it on this bar. This is actually 1 minute time frame. So you could see here, it's still looking kind of bearish with this red bar. All right, getting close again. Looks like this is where a lot of people are covering, but I'm gonna hold on to it. Wait for that 25. I did a smart thing, put in limit order to buy back at 24.25, but just half my position. So the other half, I'm gonna maybe let it ride a little more. Anyway, be back to update. Alright, just got hit on half my position here. So what I don't want to see, I don't want to see this thing get back up to 24.40. You know, we're gonna take the rest here. So it was a good profit. Well, very good. It's 1996. So I'll be back with something else, guys. And this thing's sold off since above 24. So could have let it ride a little more. What I learned from these experiences, like 5 cents above the whole number mark, that's where a lot of short covering went on. So if you were to put it at the obvious number at 24, then you would have probably not got hit. So I would have probably put something like 24.07 or 24.08, so I could for sure get my position covered. or hit the button, you know, when it hit 24 weight. You know, with these numbers going crazy, you know, it's a little bit confusing to be able to catch it like that. But that's what I learned out of this. Maybe even at 24.10, you could say. Alright, just buying 200 shares on FSLR. And I don't know if this is a true wick right here, but this is pretty crazy. It went all the way up from where it is right now. Well, let's just say from about 89 to 91, so that's 2 points right there. And then it just came back down. Might even get some more. You know what? I'm gonna risk that. So got 400 shares and be back to update here. Looking for like a point maybe. Maybe a point and a half. At least up to 90 maybe. I'm in there at 88, 51. So almost got my point here. But maybe you could get up to this 90. Alright, pretty much got my point right here. Let's see what the traders are doing. And they are selling. But there it goes. And we're gonna take it here. So made a good profit there. It was a good thing, good play that I caught. So made about 500, 600. So I'm up 25.46, and be back with something else, guys. Look, it did get up to 90. Interesting. Alright, looking at target, man, almost the same thing right here. This thing's got a long wick. So got 1,000 shares and looking to make a quick buck here. And then they're at 39.14. Looking for it to drop to 39 or more. Alright, there it goes. And gonna cover. I ain't gonna be greedy here. So made 176 on there. I'm up about 27.23. Yeah, looking at CVX, this thing is selling off hard here. And I think I could risk it and say that this could be a support area, so I just hit it long. I'm long at 65.96. Not such a bad fill. At least I didn't take it at the moving average. I waited till it got down to the support. But this thing could sell off. More. The way it's selling off here. But CVX and ExxonMobil, they were part of the strongest sectors when we opened. So I guess it's profit taking here, or the price of gas got lower all of a sudden. Who the hell knows? But I'm looking to scalp this. And my reward here, about 20 cents, 6.20. So be back to update you guys here. And also the previous market move here, that didn't help. But kind of got to be careful. This thing could just continue selling off. So you can see the sellers are still there. I'll risk it up to 66.89. But so far it looks kind of good. So be back. I'd say 65.89. And looks like we're going to lows again. And I'm out. So took a little loss there. Lost $58.